Investing can seem intimidating at first, but with the right approach, it can be life-changing. I started as a beginner with zero financial background, and today, I've built a multi-million-dollar portfolio. As how I did it. First, I learned the basics. Understanding how stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds work is essential. I didn't jump in right away. I spent time reading books, watching videos, and using free online tools to simulate trades and learn how markets behave. Second, I set clear goals. Whether it was saving for retirement, building wealth, or generating passive income, I knew what I wanted my money to achieve. That clarity shaped my investment strategy. Then, I started small. My first investments were in index funds, low cost, diversify, and historically strong performers. I stayed consistent, investing a fixed amount each month, no matter what the market was doing. Next, I diversify. I didn't put all my eggs in one basket. I spread my investments across sectors, industries, and even countries. Real estate, stocks, crypto, tested them all carefully and adjusted my portfolio as I learned. Discipline was key. I didn't try to time the market or panic during dips. I trusted the process, reviewed my portfolio quarterly, and made decisions based on long-term trends, not emotions. Finally, I reinvested every dividend I earned. I put back to work. Compound interest became my best friend, and over time, my money started making more money. That's how I grew my investments from a few $100s into millions. It's not magic, it's mindset, strategy, and patience. And if I could do it, so can you.